Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a flip through of my design team project for Tsunami Rose. This one is Rose Azure, and I will leave, I don't remember the names to all the collections, so I will leave a list in the description box below. If I forget by any chance, feel free to comment and let me know. This is an altered book. I haven't done one in probably a couple years, so I thought I would try one real quick. And I had this small little, I guess it's 5 by 7-ish, about 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. Yeah, it's about a 1-inch spine. It didn't get too chubby. There's plenty of room to add to it. So I've got a linen tie here for the closure, and as I said, this is using the Rose Azure collection, and I will leave the description in the description box anything that is not included in this that I have used, but everything, I believe everything except for 2 Tim Holtz cutouts I know is Tsunami Rose. So I've got a piece of lace here covering the spine. I kind of collaged the back cover there with some of the papers and used the label that said Rose Azure. And one of the this is a separate collection, so this one's not included in the Rose Azure, but I thought it went great for the cover there. And this also is a numbers sheet that has, I think there's 2 or 3 pages of numbers to cut out. So if we open the inside here, we've got a pocket, and I've got a rose journal card inside and some vintage shipping tags. There again, all the information will be in the description box. This is the Tim Holtz, what do they call those? Chipboard piece or something. It's not chipboard, but it's just a cutaway. Okay, die cut. I've used some more of the rose cards for the side pocket there, and then I've used another one to make a side tuck here. Back here I've got another vintage shipping tag, and I've used some of the journal pages. I believe this is the actual size. I enlarged some so that I could have papers to back the pages here, or cover the pages. So I took this journal page and just folded it for more writing space there. Got a corner pocket here with a library card there. Love that with the roses. A vintage shipping tag there. And then on this side we've used, I believe this was the envelope that came with the collection, and I cut it in half to use as 2 pockets. So then I've got, this is a piece of the ephemera, and there again I took one of the leftover journal pages and used that for writing paper. This pocket's a little tight, but it'll loosen up. Here we have a top pocket, and I've put another card inside of there. Gotta remember where all these little pockets are. Here I have another corner pocket with another library card and another one of these roses. Now what I've done was I used my Tim Holtz stain spray to spray these, but they're very light and would be easy to write on. Love this little girl right here. This is a double pocket here, so I've just taken the ephemera from the kit that I've cut apart. Lots of fun stuff in here. And I've just tucked that inside those pockets. What have we got back here? Love this. Witch hazel. They did sure have pretty advertisements back in the day. There we go. Here I've made a little side tuck here with another vintage shipping tag, another piece of the ephemera. This is our center page. This did come out to 12 pages when all was said and done, and double-sided, that's 24. Plenty of room to add some coffee dyed paper in different areas if you want to add some journaling. This one has one of those rose cards, another library insert, and a shipping tag there. And we have the same thing in this pocket, another rose card. A lot of shoe advertisements use such really pretty designs. And here we have another tuck spot with a shipping tag and a little, well, pharmacy advertisement. Okay, and here is another one of those pockets. I was trying to get it all out at one time, but the double pockets, and the boots and shoes. This one is Botany, and this one says, oh, Woolworth and Company. How about that? All right, and then we have this lovely lady, Austin's Forest Flower Cologne, and we've got a label, a blank label here, and this looks like a receipt. So there we go. And then I've got a corner pocket here with a library card and a shipping tag. I think this one's my favorite. There again, I've just sprayed the back of those. Here's another top loading pocket with the rose card inside. And then a pocket with Le Corset. And another one of these writing pages. I believe it goes this way. Well, I don't know that the rose is going to show either way, so stick it in there. And another corner pocket on this one, the library card. These are fun to write and make lists. This one has some graph on the shipping tag. And then in this last tuck, we've got another shipping tag and some more writing paper, blank on the back. And on this page, there's a little bit of a collage. Well, where did you do the shipping tag? There we go. Kind of lost it on that collage. Okay, and then on this side pocket, we have another striped rose. And here's another page for journaling with the Tim Holtz cutout. And then we have our back pocket, which has another rose and another shipping tag. So I wanted to keep it very basic. I'm moving my covers around. You know, not overdo it, because the last time I couldn't close the book the last time I did it, and so I was very careful to make sure everything was flat. There's no lace inside the book. The lace is on the outside, but that way, yeah, everything fits inside. But like I said, that leaves plenty of room for adding your own pieces of ephemera or notes or whatever you need to add. So just tied a little bow there on the side like so, and we're ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.